Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Miguel. Now, Kimi K3 just launched the very first ever open source model to not only rival but beat Fable 5 and GPT 5.6 Sol, all while being half the cost and open source. Let me break it down for you. Now, this model was literally just released today and it's already top 3 in most of the charts, both for general use and for coding use cases, doing this at half of the cost of frontier models. Now, what's even more incredible is the fact that it literally beat Fable 5 at UI benchmarks. So now the leading UI model is not a frontier model from a closed source company, it's an open source model from a Chinese company, which is incredible news for open source AI. Now, on top of this, if you look at the pricing, you will notice that, of course, this is 5 times more expensive than the previous Kimi model, but it's still half the cost of frontier models while delivering the same level of quality. And that's what truly matters right now. Now, of course, this is a huge moment, just like the DeepSeek moment back in 2023, 2024, because open source is now officially in the top 3 top models. Opus 4.8 literally just got erased from the leaderboards by this model. Now, I'm going to explain to you what closed source and open source is, so you really understand why this impact is so massive. Closed source AI and just closed source software in general means that you have to pay the provider to be able to use that technology. Now, you can think of it as Spotify, you can think of it as AI as well. You see, you pay OpenAI and Anthropic to use their models, and their models are private. You cannot look into them. Open source is different. Open source means that the models are free, anyone can use them, but of course you need huge computers to be able to do it. However, with the improvements in technology, within a couple of years, we will have very good models available to us that we will be able to run on maybe a couple of hundreds of gigabytes of RAM. And that model is, in that moment, is actually very close. It's closer than we might think. Now, as you can see right up in here, in the top 3 chart, we now have Kimi K3 just after Opus 4.8. Now, this is even more important because at this point in time, Anthropic is in a very rough position. And this made that position even worse because now Opus 5 has to deliver massive performance, even more than Kimi K3. Now, this is fantastic for us end users because this competitivity is going to make it so the technology just keeps getting better and better and cheaper and cheaper. A very, very interesting moment is going to come within the next couple of months, I'm sure. Now, I'm going to say, I hope that you enjoyed this video, that you learned a lot, and go ahead and test that model as much as you can. That way you really know if it's the good model for your use cases. This is making AI even more accessible to people. I'm going to say, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you.